everyone, so we're now here again trying some chocolates that I saw in a supermarket, and I'm not sure if any one of you are familiar with this. It says limited editions, and I just saw this on the supermarket while roaming around them. So the first one is Milka white chocolate. I'm not sure if this is an old variety of Milka. The next one will be a dairy milk coffee. So it's a limited edition, and if you have checked my latest video about chocolates, I tried a coffee chocolate from Meiji and I love it. So I hope that this will compare with that, and since I don't have that anymore, I thought I'll buy 2 get 1 milk chocolate from Dairy Milk. So I will just compare if Dairy Milk chocolate is really good with their coffee chocolate, if I could taste the coffee. So let's go with the most basic one. Let's leave the white chocolate first, and let's try the basic chocolate, basic Dairy Milk milk chocolate compared to the coffee chocolate. Cadbury. It's not melted because it's not too hot in here right now. Let's try one piece. Cadbury milk chocolate. Everyone knows how Cadbury milk chocolate tastes like. It's milky, it's kind of fruity, to the point that you can even taste the chocolate in it, or I mean the cocoa. It's like milky butter with a hint of grapes or something. Yeah. So that's Dairy Milk milk chocolate. I have a high expectation of Dairy Milk coffee. I do hope that it tastes like coffee. Like Hershey Dairy Milk coffee. Okay. Tastes like instant coffee, the one with milk in it. Tastes good, but not as good as that Meiji one, because that Meiji one tastes more like coffee bean. This one, it tastes like you're eating a solidified 3-in-1 coffee, the cheap one. So let's go to the Toblerone and the white chocolate Milka. Again, this is my 3rd favorite chocolate because of the texture. But the thing with milk chocolate is don't put them in the freezer, because the butter in it, I think, the oil in it become frozen, and it doesn't taste that good anymore if it is frozen. So let's try Toblerone. Now, and the good thing with Toblerone white chocolate is it also have a herb spice in it. And after you eat all the chocolates, the almond nougat will be left, and the texture is really good. So comparing to Milka white chocolate, actually the white chocolate of Toblerone is like the last milk chocolate that I have. So if you want to see all my chocolate vlogs, I have a chocolate playlist. So check on that one. Okay. I think this will taste like the same as all white chocolate. Okay. It's less sweet and more milky. Okay. It says 100% alpine milk chocolate. Tastes like you're eating solidified condensed milk, something like that, but not as sweet as condensed milk. It's good, but I love Toblerone more. So for now, if you love this video, put a thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe, and hope you check on my other videos. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.